Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted the video up. A few things have changed since the last time. I had a baby and all that, so things have been a little hectic for us. But I decided this evening I would get back into it, and we're going to use my Weber today, and we're going to cook up some little chicken wings and some short ribs today. So I've already got the wings put together. I showed in the last video what the wings, how to go ahead and cross the winglet tip all the way over. That way it locks them in, and it makes it so much easier when you're ready to flip with tongs. They'll get hung in the grate. And then I'm going to season up. After that, I'm going to season up these short ribs. So I'm going to get after that real quick and show you what it looks like when they're ready to go on the pit. Hey guys, finishing up seasoning here, and I just wanted to take a quick second to show you all the seasonings I was using on the ribs. I was using Fiesta brand steak seasoning, and on the wings it's just the Fiesta brand chicken rub, as you'll see right here. Well, the fire's ready. As y'all saw, the chicken and short ribs are seasoned. The coals, I'm going to show you a quick shot of the coals. They're really, really hot, as you can tell. I like starting them out that way, especially on the Weber, because once I put the chicken on, it gives it a real quick sear on the skin, makes it crispy, and then I can close it. And the way these darn Webers work, man, it'll sit there and just it'll control the temp really well. I mean, I don't even mess with the damper any. It just works really well. You don't even hardly have to flip them. I will flip them, but I've done whole chickens on here, not even had to flip them, because it cooks so well on these Webers. They're just really, really good. So let's get these loaded on right quick. Okay, so we got the chickens on. As you can tell, I avoided the center, the hottest spot that we have. I'm gonna throw the chickens on. The heat is really high. If I was to guess, it's probably somewhere around 400, 450 degrees in there. Maybe probably hotter than that, to be honest with you. But I avoided the hottest spot in the center. Left them around the outside. They're gonna sear really nice. They should cook in around 30 minutes. Sometimes, depending on how they look, some of the ones that are on the outskirts, so I flip them around a little bit. May take up to 45 total just to get them the way I want them, with the color and the skin crispy and all that stuff. Once the chicken's done, those short ribs don't take long at all, so I'll put them on with the sausage, and we'll come back here in just a little bit once the wings are just about done. I did want to ask y'all what y'all's thoughts were. I was creating a logo, and here's my rough draft. So if you'd leave your comments below and see what you think, any ideas. Like I said, I don't have stickers or anything yet. This is the first one that I made myself. Just wondering if y'all might, if y'all think it's a good start, any changes you think, or you know, I'm open for suggestions, so I'd appreciate any comments or any thoughts on it. Even if it's just, hey, it looks good, keep it up. So appreciate it. We'll see y'all back here in a little bit. All right, well, the chicken wings are done. With this time change, as you can tell, it got dark on me real quick. Got a nice crispy skin on all of the wings here. A little toasty on some of them that were got a little flare up a few moments ago when I opened the lid, but they came out very, very nice, as you can see. Crispy skin, cooked all the way through. It's been about 40 minutes that they've been on. Some of these smaller ones, they were done quicker, so I had them off to the side. But you can see here, see how nice and crisp that skin is. Came out really, really good. And again, locking the wing down makes it a solid piece, and you don't have to worry about the dang tip going inside the grill and getting burnt on me. So now we're gonna go ahead, and these short ribs are very, very quick to cook. They'll burn on you because there is a higher fat content. So you gotta watch them real close. It should only take, the way I cook them, it's probably only gonna take them about 10 minutes and they'll be done. So we'll come back here in a minute and I'll show you when I pull these off. Hey everybody, took me a second to get my camera girl back out here, but these have been on for about, it's been about 15 minutes. You can see they got nice color to them, a little charring. Some are a little more than others. Here's one that's a little more. They do tend to fall apart. I actually lost one. It fell through the grate, but like I said, they only took about 15 minutes to finish up. We're gonna throw these in here. I'm gonna finish off the sausage, and we're gonna get down to eating here shortly. All right. Well, everything's off the pit, and it's a little better lighting in here. You can see how crisp the skin got, how nice it is. These chicken wings came out great. Got a little sausage over here, and we've got those short ribs, how they came out. It took about an hour and a half by the time I got everything done and cut and ready to serve. So just a quick little video, kind of trying to get back in the swing of things. So I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you would, please like and subscribe. Give me some comments. I'm going to get back in the swing of things and making some more videos. I'm probably going to try and do another one later this week, or for sure by next week, but maybe later on this week I'm going to do another video. So if y'all have any questions or any concerns, and also again, take a look at the logo, see what you think. I don't have any stickers or anything yet, but I'm working towards that. So if y'all have any ideas or any thoughts, you know, I'll take any kind of criticism. So I appreciate it. Hope y'all have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.